The value of a human being. In a small village, there lived a boy named Ramu. His father owned an iron workshop where Ramu would often help him with his work. One day, Ramu curiously asked his father, "Father, what is the value of a human being in this world?" The father was surprised by such a deep question. After thinking for a moment, he replied, "Ramu, it is very difficult to estimate the value of a person because a human life is truly priceless." Ramu was confused. He asked, "How can that be? If everyone is priceless, why are some people given less respect while others receive so much more?" His father quietly went into the storeroom and brought out a dusty iron rod. He asked, "What is the price of this piece of iron?" Ramu replied, "Around 500 rupees. The father then asked, "If I take this same rod and make small nails out of it, what would its value be then?" Ramu thought for a bit and said, "In that case, its value would increase to about 1200 rupees. Then the father asked, "And what if I use this iron to manufacture delicate hairsprings for expensive watches? What would its value be then?" Ramu's eyes widened as he replied, "Oh, then we could get a lot more money for it. It would be worth thousands." The father smiled and said, "A human's value is just like this iron rod. A person's worth is not defined by who they are right now, but by how they transform and improve themselves. It is through self-improvement that a person's value keeps changing and growing." Ramu finally understood exactly what his father was trying to teach him. Moral of the story: we often make the mistake of measuring our own worth based on our current situation. Looking at our present state, we might feel valueless or small. We fail to realize our future potential and how much we can grow. Therefore, we must always strive to improve ourselves and work hard to bring out our true hidden value.